And only on 11 Alive, the abortion issue playing a huge role in the race for the Georgia Attorney General. And for the very first time tonight, the incumbent, Chris Carr, is clarifying whether women who self-induce abortions can be charged criminally under the state's new heartbeat law.
11 Alive's Doug Richards is talking exclusively with the two major candidates, new at 5.
The race for Georgia Attorney General has lacked the attention and the money given to the higher profile top of the ballot races. But polls have shown that the issues in the Attorney General race are very important to Georgia voters.
The number one issue for government is to keep people safe and protected.
Republican Chris Carr and Democrat Jen Jordan have divergent perspectives on the same issue.
They don't feel safe, obviously because of gun violence, but now they don't even feel safe going to their doctor's office.
The Georgia Attorney General is the state's chief law enforcement officer. Whoever is elected would handle legal issues surrounding the state's restrictive heartbeat law, which outlaws abortion as early as 6 weeks into a pregnancy. Jordan says the law, which also gives personhood status to fetuses at the same point in pregnancy, would make women vulnerable to prosecution.
Look, we're not just talking about the criminal abortion statute. We're talking about homicide, manslaughter, child abuse. We're talking about every single law that is included in the Georgia Code, because now an embryo has just as much rights as any woman does.
There is absolutely nothing in the Life Act that suggests that a pregnant woman is going to get prosecuted for anything. In fact, it's about providers, not about pregnant women.
Carr says the enforcement language in the heartbeat law explicitly targets doctors and not pregnant women.
But it's preposterous for anyone to suggest that a pregnant woman would get prosecuted under this law. Just read it.
Jordan says she read the heartbeat law when it was passed in the Senate over her no vote.
Carr is now trying to spin this law into something that it isn't. That's what's preposterous.
The question for both campaigns is how these issues will sway voters in November. An 11 Alive poll in July showed the Attorney General's race statistically tied. At the Capitol, Doug Richards, 11 Alive News.